But look at how cute he looks. We're continuing with our Sunday reset. Showing the family dynamic. All right, y'all, I'm looking a little greasy because I just jumped out the shower, moisturized, and I'm about to head out the door. But welcome back to my channel, ladies. If you are new here, my name is Sherane and I bring you fashion, beauty, and lifestyle video content. Welcome to a new vlog. Happy Sunday. Happy Sunday. It looks like it's a beautiful day outside. I was out early this morning to take Legend out, and I'm about to leave out again to take him to the groomer. He is well in need of a grooming appointment. If you watched my last vlog, I mentioned how I wasn't feeling well. Well, everything that I wanted to get done yesterday, because I ended that vlog yesterday, I want to get done today. So I want to run a bunch of errands and pretty much reset my home. Not so much when it comes to cleaning, but more so restocking on household products. I need to go to the grocery store. I would love to go to the dry cleaner to stop by my alterations lady. Hopefully everybody's open. I would love to hit up the car wash. Like, I have tons of things that I've been meaning to do, but Friday and Saturday I was just not feeling like myself. I managed to juice a little bit. You would have seen that in the previous vlog, but I had so many other things that I wanted to do yesterday, being Saturday, that I was not able to do. The only thing I managed to do was sit on that sofa and edit all day to get the video up for you guys. I am running a little behind. I literally just called Petco and was like, we're about 10 minutes late, just so I can introduce the vlog. I am just wearing an Old Navy set. I'll insert a clip here just in case you're new. I have these in all colors. I love them. I always carry the jacket with me. I have the leggings, but I'm wearing the shorts today because it's kind of warm outside, but I may go to Sam's Club or to another grocery store, and you guys know how it is. So I always carry my jacket. But yeah, I'm wearing my regular jewelry, bracelet. I'm carrying my Chanel bag. Yeah, just carrying this Chanel bag. I'm trying to wear her more because she has been cooped up in the closet for some time. And I also have some bags that I want to stuff and display. I think either next week or the week after, I'm going to focus on getting this closet updated for fall and winter. And I have numerous bags that just came in through me thrifting. And so I want to stuff them properly. Even my older bags, I want to stuff properly so I could properly display them. So I need to figure that out. We'll be working on that soon, of course, in another video. So yes, guys, you guys will just be hanging out with me today. We'll be running to Petco, maybe Dollar Tree, maybe Sam's Club, the grocery store. And so we're gonna just try to get as much done today while I have this energy. Anywho, guys, let me get out of here and I will see y'all at Petco. All right, so I wasn't too late for his appointment. They were able to take him, thank God. He loves the person who grooms him. Her name is Morgan. She's so good with him. They have taken videos of Legend smiling while he's taking a bath with her, so I stick to her. But anywho, I don't know what I want to do first. I'm trying to stay focused and not stop by any thrift store, because y'all know there's thrift stores all around here. Trying to stay focused. You'll know by the title if I stay focused or not, if I get off track. And I don't think I mentioned that I wanted to go to my parents' house today because my mom wants me to juice for her and my dad. And so she has a new juicer as well. She's never opened the box. It's much more expensive than the one that I have. If you watch the last vlog, you'll know what I'm talking about. But she has a juicer. She wants me to show her how to use it. I am not a juicing professional, but she figures that since I used mine recently, that I'll be able to, you know, use hers. And so she wants me to make some juices for them for this week. So I'm gonna do that after I pick Legend up. So I need to get as much stuff done as possible while he's getting groomed. Y'all, Goodwill is right there. It's right there. So I think I am gonna have to go to Sam's Club because they don't have enough. Like, I don't like these individual or just small packs. I like shopping in bulk. So I think we're gonna stop by Sam's Club. So I was in Dollar Tree for maybe 5 minutes because what I really need, I need in bulk. And I don't know why I thought they sold in like, I knew they didn't sell in bulk like Sam's Club, but I just felt like they would have larger packs. I don't like to make these trips often to get household supplies. I like shopping in bulk every few months. But hopefully I have enough time to go to Sam's Club and then go to the dry cleaners. If not, I'll have to wait to go to the dry cleaners tomorrow. But we're gonna go to Sam's Club because I really need to get a lot of household supplies. This parking lot, ooh, this parking lot, my God.
I got you like you got me, and I'm with it. If you with it, committed. So please don't be scared. So please don't be scared.
It is so hot outside. Fall. Where are you? We were ready for you. Like, what happened? Sam's Club wasn't too bad. I guess the scan and go really keeps things moving. I'm late to the party, very late, but I will never stand at Sam's Club line again. Never. And I guess I don't come here as often because it's only me. I only get certain things in bulk. I'm gonna pick Legend up now. He's ready. We'll most likely carry this vlog until tomorrow because I don't know how much I'm gonna film at my parents' house, if I film at all, and I still have things to do. We still have the reset, so it will be continued.
No, I did not. I can do that for you though.
Y'all, look at how cute he is. Wait, hold on. Hi, Leggy. But look at how cute he looks. Let me head to my parents' house. I don't know if I'm gonna hop back on today, but I'm definitely coming back on tomorrow.
Satisfying you while I keep bleeding. I don't know why you act like you innocent. You wanna take a piece of my heart again. I'll get you up, cause I just don't want you. Something in your eyes, the way you stare me that I like. I wanna let you go, but it's like something else me tight. You might break my heart tonight, but I'm gonna hold it tight. Oh, it feels like yellow. It hurts like yellow. You have to let me go. Yellow. It hurts like yellow. We try to.
Happy Monday, ladies. Happy Monday. It is a beautiful Monday morning. And we're continuing with our Sunday reset. So this video may be titled like Sunday Plus Reset. I did not get a chance to do a lot of what I wanted to do yesterday because I had Legend with me and I just don't like bringing him in certain, establishments or leaving him in my truck. So we're going to continue running our errands today. And I added on another task that I think will help me a lot. Remember, I wasn't feeling well. So I've come to the conclusion that I just haven't been eating enough for the length, the intensity, and the frequency of my workouts. A part of that reason is because I don't meal plan. I never thought I would be a meal plan type of girl, but when I think about my habits when it comes to eating, I can eat the same meal over and over again for at least a few days. So I don't think it will be that bad. We're gonna try it today. I'm only gonna meal plan 2 meals and prepare some juices. For breakfast, I'll just get everything that I need. As far as meal planning is concerned, they're gonna include the same meat, chicken thighs. I've been loving chicken thighs lately. And so yeah, that's what we're gonna do. I think I'm gonna do one really light pasta meal, like no cream, no none of that. Lots of veggies, lots of salad. And then the other meal will be a teriyaki glazed chicken with rice and, some veggies or salad. So we're going to be working on that today. But first, we are going to take ourselves out to brunch. For the last few weeks, I have been pretty much taking myself out every Monday. I'm not a big fan of going out amongst crowds on the weekends where you got to wait in line and all that stuff. I much prefer to go out during the week. And typically I would get dolled up, look cute, take myself to happy hour or something, do a little thrifting. But because my Sunday reset did not go as planned and I want to get these things done, I'm just going to grab a quick brunch locally. I'm going to go to First Watch. I was not a big fan of First Watch because I used to compare it to one of my old favorites, Flying Biscuit, for brunch, but Flying Biscuit is not the same ever since it got new owners. So anyway, we're going to First Watch this morning. Then we're gonna go to Aldi. I wanna cut out the Walmarts and the Krogers and just the bigger chain grocery stores. So anywho guys, I just wanted to say good morning. I hope you all had a great weekend or are having a great week. Let me gather my things, get out of here, and I will see you ladies at First Watch. Y'all, I'm pulling up and I see people outside waiting. It is Monday morning. Y'all, so why I went in there and it was people waiting. And I asked how long the wait would be for one. And she was like, maybe like 20-25 minutes. So she said, or you could sit at the community table. So I didn't even know they did that. I didn't know restaurants did that. So, you know, I guess it's kind of like a bar, but it's one table, family style. So it wasn't many people on there. It was like a man sitting at the one end of the table and then some like two friends on the other side. So I was like, okay, let me sit down. Sat down, and then this lady sits down right in front of me, and they're very polite, you know, they're like, good morning, whatever. But it was just too up and close and personal for me. When I'm going out to eat by myself, like, I don't want to be up under somebody. I hardly ever choose bar, you know, seating at the bar. So I get up and I tell the hostess, hi, I want to put my name on the list just in case it doesn't take that long. She was like, okay, it should be 10 minutes or less. Really? It was 25 minutes just a minute ago. So I just came back here in my truck because they're gonna text me when my table is ready. So that was actually really good. The only complaint that I have is that the food wasn't piping hot. Like, I like my food piping hot.
Where you been and where you hiding? I know you're lying. Don't you try it, no. You really shouldn't play with fire. Put it out with water. But now you're drowning. There's been a whole lot of trying, whole lot of crying, whole lot of telling me I should be dying or be like you. But I don't wanna be like you. There's been a whole lot of trying, whole lot of crying, whole lot of telling me I should be dying or be like you. But I don't wanna be like you. Cause I could do better. I could do better. I could do better than that. And you should know better. You should know better. You should know better than that. You're telling me I should go places. You're telling me that I'm too lazy. You are the one that is going crazy. Cause you can't even hold your own, but you always know what's wrong with everyone else. How is that?
Good morning, ladies. Good morning and happy Tuesday. We are on our way to the gym. Had a little late start this morning, but I don't feel bad at all from the day I had yesterday. I was so exhausted last night, got to bed so late. Like, I don't feel guilt at all. It is probably around, I think it's around 10 o'clock and I'm just now headed to the gym, but it is what it is. But about the meal planning yesterday, so I underestimated the amount of time that it would take me to make these meals. I definitely did. I think it took about maybe 3.5 hours. This is the thing. You know how you have struggle meals sometimes, meaning meals that you don't necessarily crave or have a taste for, but you just feel like you need to eat something. So you just make some chicken real quick, grill some chicken up with some rice, whatever. With these meals, I followed some new recipes that that I wanted. So although it did take more time than I thought, they taste really good, and I don't think I'm gonna mind eating them for multiple days. So the first meal is teriyaki chicken with jasmine rice. I didn't make any side of veggies just because I don't like eating older veggies. I like making my veggies fresh or having salad. So I think I'm probably gonna have salad most of the week, but I also have veggies that I can make or grill or whatever. But the teriyaki chicken turned out really well. I don't like too much sauce on my meat. Even when I order, you know, Chinese food from Grand China, I usually request sauce on the side. They used to have that as an option, like via DoorDash. Now they don't. But I like to request my sauce on the side. So with the teriyaki chicken that I made last night, I just made the glaze separately and drizzled the sauce in. I didn't want to drench my chicken in sauce, and it turned out really well. The second meal was also a new dish. I made something similar, but it's a like garlic chicken pasta dish, and when you serve it, you could put a little bit of Parmesan cheese. I added spinach and tomatoes. It turned out so well. That's what I actually had for dinner last night. So good. No cream. The only cheese that I did have on it was a little bit of Parmesan that I sprinkled on top, you know, just to add a little razzle dazzle. But other than that, it was very light and healthy, you know, a very light pasta dish. I would say it was a success. So I'm definitely gonna start meal planning every week. I was so tired yesterday because listen, going to the grocery store, unpacking all those groceries and cooking in the same day and cooking for the whole week in the same day, listen, that's a lot. And you guys would have also seen me juice last night. I only made one kind of juice. I think I'm gonna stick to just making one kind of juice at a time versus multiple, unless I just have the time. I did not make as much as I thought I would be able to make with the ingredients I had, but the juice that I made yesterday was watermelon, mango, spinach, and mint. That is the juice I made, and it's supposed to help with headaches, but I kind of tweaked it a little. So the recipe that I saw on Pinterest to help with headaches, or, you know, if you feel ill or whatever, is watermelon, mint, spinach, and lime juice. But I didn't have any lime juice, and I wanted to add a little bit of mango, so that's what I did. The juice was really good. I laid off the ginger because the last time I juiced, you would have seen that in the previous vlog, I put too much ginger in, but that's because I wasn't feeling well, and I OD'd on the ginger, and it made the juices so spicy, you know that flavor ginger gives. Anyway, guys, I will check in with you ladies after my workout.
Now this is my remedy, let the seas sway with me, we're getting my energy, let the seas sway with me, my remedy, let the seas sway with me, getting my energy, let the seas sway with me,
Good morning and happy Wednesday. Happy Wednesday. I am just now leaving the gym, as you can probably tell, and I want to go ahead and close out this vlog because the reset is over. Okay, the Sunday extended the extended Sunday reset is officially over. Thank you so much for joining me in this vlog. If you are new here and you enjoyed the content, I hope you will subscribe, hit that notification bell. If you're on other social media platforms, feel free to follow me at Sherane_H. I will see you ladies down in the comments and in the next video.